Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you're over here, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for both of you. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the train. I'm right here next to the tracks and it's just chugging along. So yeah, sorry about the train in the background. Today I'm coming to you because it's a little mini haul of things I got from Slick Living. If you guys aren't familiar with Slick Living or Goddesses Living Amongst Men, it's a brand created by Khleo Thomas. He's better known as Zero from Holes. I just like his vibe, and I love that he started this whole Goddesses Living Amongst Men, because at the end of the day, we as women are goddesses. There are a lot of things that we do as women that people of the opposite sex would not be able to do, and I feel like we should be held at a standard of a goddess, because no matter what, that's what we are. So I'm supporting his movement because I am a goddess and I am living amongst men, and I still can't get packages open. So first thing I got, and I think I got it too big because I got it in a large and I should have got it in a medium. But yeah, this is way too big. This is big enough for Derek. It's a Sailor Moon shirt. And it says goddess energy, goddess living amongst men, and at the bottom it says Slick Living. I should have got a medium because this is huge. I'm gonna have to put it in the washing machine, and hopefully I can hopefully, I'm so scared. Well, it's not that bad. I mean, other than the fact that I already have a shirt on, it's not that bad. I don't think it's gonna be that big. Okay, but this shirt is not for this wig. This shirt would be for if I get some space buns like this over here, this kind of situation. This would be perfect with space buns and either some shorts or some leggings. But the shirt fits good. It's standard t-shirt material. I love Sailor Moon. I remember waking up to get ready to go to school. Sailor Moon used to come on UPN early in the morning before I went to school, and that's just something that's stuck with me. I'm 28, I'll be 29 in July. That's something that stuck with me from elementary school. I love Sailor Moon. I love Tuxedo Mask. I love all the other Sailor Scouts. So I felt like, even though this is a shirt, you get a Sailor Moon shirt anywhere, I just like this shirt more because of the goddess living amongst men thing. And yeah, I just wanted a shirt. So this shirt was I don't remember how much the shirt was. I can't even lie to y'all, but I'm glad I got it. If I can get out of this one. Ooh! Okay, so definitely be hanging this up. I love Sailor Moon and all the other Sailor Scouts, so I can't wait to wear this. This will be like a nice date night shirt. Date night? Like date night, like we going to like bowling or something. That'll be cute. Put my wig back in place. Okay. The second shirt I got, well, the second thing I got, because it wasn't a shirt, was this hoodie. And on the front it says glam with the angel wings, and then on the left shoulder it says amongst men, and on the right arm, I said shoulder, arm, it says goddesses living. And on the back it says goddess with angel wings. So I think I got this too big too, because I think I got this in a large. Had I known that all this stuff was so big, I would have got everything a size smaller. So if you, next time Khleo comes out with something, get a size smaller, because this stuff is honestly big enough for my husband. And I don't know if, I know it's a women's line, but I feel like this looked like plus size. Like, let me try this on and see how big this gonna be. I need to take this wig off and just look like a boiled peanut for a little while. A lot. Okay. Oof, I don't want to mess up the white. I did already. Definitely don't put it on when you have on a full face of makeup. Okay, so this is good. I was wrong, because if I would have got this in a medium, I would have been, it's a wrap. This is good. I love how it fits. It looks very vibrant on camera right now. It's giving me vibes. This is really good. It fits really good. I was just getting ready to talk shit about it and say that it's big enough for my husband. This is not big enough for Derek. This fits really good. Adjust my wig. It's giving him something he can feel. Yeah, I love this hoodie. Red isn't my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color, but I look really good in red, white, and yellow. Any variation of yellow, mustard, light yellow, powder yellow, standard yellow, like any kind of yellow I look good in. Red I look good in, white I look good in. So I'm loving this hoodie. This is my favorite of the two so far, even though it's hot in Florida and you really have no use for a hoodie. On the days that I do, I could wear this with my red Huaraches. I could wear this with my red Vans. I could wear this with my black Vans. Like, I just see so much potential in this hoodie. Definitely don't want to wear it with a full face of makeup, as you guys could see, because it was a struggle to get this on just now. But other than that, I'm loving it. I love how vibrant it is, and I can't wait to wear it out in public and support goddesses living amongst men. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely, he's sold out now, but he'll be doing another restock, and they'll be selling more products with the next restock, and it'll be different products. So you guys stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.